What is that bridge? Put the phone in my eye. Rocky, oh. So Dad, I bet you want to come in here. I bet Tom's grandma is coming. So Dad, let's come here. This one's Tom's grandma. I thought your grandma's dead. She didn't say. She's fucking drunk. And your grandma's